Before I get this YouTube video started, check out my boy 10 for Ace. He come with all the new smoke. He just dropped this album. Go check my boy out.
Good gas, hell yeah, great gun smoke. Put 'em up with the tech like a upload. Big G, big D, big cut, they 4K, 3 beat like a truckload. I just slid at a chop shop. Glock got a dick, but the pitch and a cop block. Like a mixtape, got the hot drop. Okay, chopper put a fuck nigga in a crock pot. Like nigga don't plot, like you stupid. Don't get your ass shot, like I'm Cupid. And run down on me, don't you do it. Now don't be influenced. You push it, I pull it. Got choppers like a cooker. Ain't shit sweet, nigga, this ain't sugar. Send him to the sun, Devin Booker. Oh, he got left in the streets like a hooker. That chopper gon' got a lot of oppas, llamas, yappas, choppers, glockers, shotters. She like Gucci, Louis, Fendi.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Zay back again with another video. And today I'm gonna hit the field with one of my homies from high school. He played ball in college, you know. He gonna show me the difference, cause you know I do this. You can see I used to play ball, but he gonna show us the difference to work out. Say what up?
Ooh, who that is? That's Hoodie Sale.
Ooh. Hey, he gonna hit us with some drills. Hit me with some drills, you know. And he did that. He did while he was at campus. He on break right now. So we're gonna get it to you when I hit the field. We done hit the field, man. What we gonna do first, man?
Man, we finna warm up, you know, get a little warm up in so we don't pull nothing, you feel me? Stay healthy, man. Stretch, man.
All right, my man said we're gonna hit a stretch, so I'm gonna hit y'all back after the stretch, man. All right, bye.
Start drill. So you feel me? This is a demonstration. I'm gonna go slow for y'all. You finna go here. Boom. Boom. And then you go sprint all the way up to the top. And get around the cone and sprint down. You feel me?
I feel you, I feel you.
Alright, so we finna get into that.
Let's go. Good shit, big boy. Yes, sir. Oh, finish through. Yes, sir. Yes,
So now
sir.
what drill we got?
The Z drill. Basically, bro, demonstration. And you gonna do that. All these sets of cones. You feel me? So I'm gonna go do that for it.
Let's go. Sprint through.
It's really an easier drill. But basically, full speed, go up. And then sprint 10, back 5, sprint 10, and then turn right on the first and sprint back through.
All right, show me how you do that.
They don't know the route that we took to get here. Cause where I come from, they ain't chasing a dream. Where I come from, it ain't safe to believe. Where I come from, it's a race to 18. They jump straight off the porch and land straight in the streets. Goddamn, or just keep the glizzy in your pants.
Oh, Lord. Come on, sprint through. This nigga over here tired of this shit. We only did 3 goddamn drills, nigga.
Say, man, y'all go subscribe to the channel. Hoodie Sale. Yes, sir. Go check me out. Go subscribe to my channel, Hoodie Sale. Go add me on the Snap.
You feel me? He gonna put that in the description below though. You feel me? But we on to the next drill game.
Every time I leave, she beg for me to stay. But baby girl, I can't. I run the streets all night, run the streets all
Sprint through. Yes, sir.
All right, YouTube. We done got done. Yeah, hey. That shit put me on my ass. Look, I done failed. I done failed and shit. Say what you gotta say.
It really wasn't that bad. Cause I got the worst when I go back to school. Trust me, bro.
Talk your shit.
It's about 20 reps.
Talk your shit.
About 20 reps for 100s when I get back to school. He over here. Man, that was light work for him, man. But that was light work for me. I don't know about him. I thought this nigga was gonna die. For real, for real. But hey, man. Y'all go subscribe to the channel. And hold on, man.
My shit.
Make sure y'all follow the Instagram, though. NC Dope Diamonds. It's backwards, I know. Make sure y'all go follow the Instagram. NC Dope Diamonds, man.
Give my shit back. Yeah, man. I mean, I did it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I did it. I can't say I didn't, but I did it. Put me on my ass a couple of times. Who this? Put me on my ass a little bit. Not too much.
You want water?
Hell yeah, I want water. But shit, we're gonna get better every day. He gonna put me through another workout tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what this nigga got. Hey man, tell them what we doing tomorrow, gang.
Hey, man. We got a speed day tomorrow.
They can't see you, alright?
What a light in that? Hold on. Let me get the camera. My fault. Somebody called us. But check, man. Hold up, man. Let me move the car real quick.
Bluetooth connect.
But check me out, yo. Damn. But check me out, yo. We got a speed day tomorrow. You feel me? Ain't gonna be too much. Ain't gonna be hard. We not even gonna be tired for real, bro.
Ain't gonna be tired,
It's
man.
just a speed day. You feel me?
Speed day, speed day.
Speed day, man. So yeah, man. Part 2 on my channel.
Part 2 tomorrow.
Part 2.